this. Netflix stops recommending shows, Swiggy forgets your order history, company dashboards go blank. That's what happens when data breaks. And here's the twist. It's not the AI scientist who fixes it. It's not the analyst with dashboards. The real superhero behind the scenes are the data engineers. They do not chase the spotlight, but without them, AI and analytics collapse. So today, let's decode what a data engineer really does, why every tech company needs them, and how you can become one. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is their role? Think of a data engineer as the bridge between raw data and useful insight. They don't build flashy dashboards like analysts. They don't train machine learning models like data scientists. Instead, they make sure the data flows cleanly, correctly, and on time. Every click, every order, every event creates data, but it's messy. And here's what the data engineer's mantra is. Right data in the right place and at the right time. Alright, but what does that actually look like day to day? Let's break it down. Here's what a data engineer really does step by step. Number 1. Data collection and ingestion. Pull data from apps, APIs, log sensors, then build pipelines that move it into data lakes or warehouses. Number 2. Data cleaning and transformation. Fix duplicate, errors, missing values, use SQL, Python or Spark to turn messy data into structured, usable data. Number 3. Storage and infrastructure. Decide where the data lives. BigQuery, Redshift, Snowflake or S3 and optimize storage so it's fast, cheap and ready to query. Sounds technical, right? But the impact goes way beyond code. Now, without data engineers, none of the analytics or AI magic work. They make sure scientists have clean data, ML models keep learning, and dashboards stay accurate. From powering recommendation to serving millions of users in real time, data engineers are the hidden backbone of tech. And here's the big question, how do you become one? The good news, you don't need a fancy degree. What you need are the right skills, tools, and guidance. That's exactly why we built Marineshot's data engineering program. It's hand-on, built by industry experts, and covers Python, SQL, Spark, Airflow, GCP, Snowflake, and more. You will build real pipelines, work on live projects, and get mentorship to land roles at companies like Google, Amazon, and Flipkart. Simple, practical, focused, just like a data engineer should be. Now let's peek into the toolbox they use daily. Orchestration tools, Airflow, Prefect. Databases and warehouses, BigQuery, Redshift, Snowflake. Languages, Python, SQL. Infrastructure, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, GCP. But it's not about tools. It's about building systems that are fast, reliable, and cost-effective. And trust me, the real challenge starts when things go wrong. Picture this. You're processing data for 100 million users. Suddenly, one column name changes. The entire pipeline crashes. Dashboards go blank. Teams panic. That's data engineering. Part coding, part detective work, part firefighting. They handle schema changes, inconsistent systems, real-time versus batch trade-offs, and exploding cloud costs. The best data engineers, they design systems that never stop flowing. And they don't do this in isolation. Data engineers work with everyone. Product managers to decide which data matters. Analysts and scientists to deliver data in the right format. Software engineers to integrate data into apps. They also document everything so pipelines are trusted and transparent. That's why this role is not just technical. It's about ownership and teamwork. So where does this career path lead? Data engineering is one of the fastest growing careers in tech. In India, mid-level engineers earn rupees 10 to 25 LPA. And at top companies, it can cost rupees 40 LPA. With experience, you can grow into senior data engineer, data architect, or ML engineer, building large-scale systems and landing teams. Let's close this out. So the next time you see a perfect Netflix recommendation or a dashboard updating in real time, remember, there's a data engineer behind it. If you want to step into this world, start small, stay consistent, build projects. And if you need a structured mentorship, Marineshot's data engineering program is your best starting point because the world runs on data and data engineers make it run right.